wish we had with us tonight.
Birds are the cattle of the sky. They graze on heaven's lawn, a mile high. They have their heads in the clouds. Why bother bringing them down? Why, oh why? Oh, I've seen everything new from a bird's eye view, from the clouds. Now I know all that I've missed, gonna make it harder to live on the ground. Oh, oh. The world is their nest, and the sun is their call. And like a sleeper's chest, it rises and falls. Oh, to be so easily moved. A whirly silhouette dream from a bird's eye view. But now I've seen everything new from a bird's eye view, from the clouds. Now I know all that I've missed, gonna make it harder to live on the ground. Oh, oh. Birds are the cattle of the sky. They graze on heaven's lawn, a mile high. But now I've seen everything new from a bird's eye view, from the clouds. Now I know all that I've missed, gonna make it harder to live on the ground. Yeah.